Hello, thanks for joining me today. You may have noticed I'm sitting on my kitchen floor, but it's for a very good reason. I'm going to turn my kitchen into a bowling alley so I can go bowling at home. What? You can do it too, and I'll show you how. Every spring I do bowling as one of our math centers because it's a great way to practice subtraction. You start with 10 pins, you knock some pins down, and you see how many are left over. That's subtraction. You're taking some away and you're finding out how many. And it's a great way to practice your parts of 10. So here's what you'll need if you want to set up your own bowling alley. I saved 10 toilet paper rolls. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This is an easy thing to save, and then you'll just need 10 of them. If you don't have 10 of these, maybe your family has 10 empty plastic water bottles, or pop bottles, or even 2-liter bottles that are about this big and that are plastic. All of those things would knock over easily and could be used as bowling pins. The second thing you're going to need is a ball. So I found a few balls around my house, and you have to figure out what's going to work best. I have a giant bouncy ball, which is pretty heavy, but when I tried to use this one, the toilet paper rolls, it just pushed them, and they didn't fall over. It was kind of interesting. I also have a playground ball that's kind of heavy, but kind of, I don't know, it didn't work quite as well. I have a tennis ball, and honestly, this ball that's a little bigger doesn't weigh very much, but this is what I found worked best for me. So look at the balls that you have around your house. I'm sure you have different sizes and different weights. So play around and see what might work best. So I'll be using this, and I'll be using 10 toilet paper rolls. Are you ready to see how to set this up? Here we go. So this is how you're going to set up your bowling pins. It's really a fun thing because you do 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty easy to remember, isn't it? Now what's really important when you set these up is that they're close enough that if one falls down, it hits the next one. If you have it too far away and it falls down, there's no way it's going to knock any more of your pins down. So set it up close enough that if it falls down, it's going to knock something else over, or it has the chance to knock something else over. Now what I'm going to do is back up, and I'm going to have Josh roll our bowling ball. Go ahead. Whoa! Okay, let's see what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He knocked down 5 pins. How many are still standing? We started with 10 and 5 fell down. How many are still standing? There are 5 because 5 and 5 make 10. Nice job. All right, so we set our pins back up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And Josh is going to try and roll again in just a second. I wanted to teach you one new thing to remember, and that is if you knock all 10 pins down, that's called a strike. Now Josh said he didn't get a strike on purpose so that we could practice our math, but let's just see how he does this time. Oh my goodness, lots of pins fell down, but there's one still standing. If there's one still standing, how many fell down? Let's think of our parts of 10. Imagine a 10 frame. Imagine a 10 frame with only one dot, one pin still standing. How many pins fell down? Let's see if we can count how many fell down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 9 make 10. 1 and 9 make 10. Put them together, what have you got? 1 and 9 make 10. Nice job, Josh. So that was 1 and 9. I hope you have fun setting up your own bowling alley. I would love to see pictures or videos of you bowling at home because bowling is subtraction in action. Have a wonderful day. Bye.